guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode. Today is very special. I'm here with Rory from JDM Paradice, and we are here with all these amazing Skylines and Evos. These cars are amazing, so he's gonna do a workshop tour because I don't think I could do these cars justice at all.
So yes, I'm JDM Paradice, and why I've got so many Skylines is because I've always loved Skylines. They were my top one favorite car. And it's just, I love them the most because of the RB they got in. It just sounds pure amazing.
So which one here out of this collection is your favorite?
Well, it's a bit hard, but I had to say, my personal car, the 1995 Series 1.5 R33 GTST.
You want to walk me through all these cars first?
So this is a Midnight Purple 1 GTR.
Nice.
Only came in the R33. It is a 1995 Series 1, and they only made about 2,000 in the world. And
Jesus.
they have a RB26 DETE twin turbo, and yeah.
Wow, look at you, you're like a walking brochure.
Then we have my personal car. So this we got a couple years ago from a dude that left it rotting in grass. And it was like half the engine was gone. Luckily we restored it and everything. We just recently put an R33 replica bumper on with a replica carbon fiber wing. This was all gone, everything. We painted it, we cleaned it. It was a RB25 from an R34. There was a Neo motor. It was a naturally aspirated motor, so we had to make it turbo. We got a Nismo here to show that it's a Nissan, and that's pretty much my car.
What's your favorite thing about your car?
That it's my car.
Yeah. So you've got an R33 GTST.
GTST, yeah.
And how old are you?
14.
Wow. Have you driven it yet?
Yes.
Legally, of course.
In Mexico, yes.
In Mexico, of course.
So over here, this is not actually our car. This is a friend that we're babysitting. It's an Evo 7 from Japan, and it's a GTA. So it's automatic, but it's from Japan. Now this is a Bangkok Blue 1999 Evo 6, 4G63 Evo 6 motor from an Evo 7. The best thing about these cars were how they were used for rallying. The paint is very rare, very nice. We got this from a dude that was made into a drag car, and it blew up on the track, and now it was just sitting, rotting away. Half of the engine was there. So we bought it, fixed it up, put all the parts back on, painted it, and now this is what it looks like. So
All right, yeah, this one here.
So this is the most surprising one. This one is a 1994 Series 1 R33 GTST. What's so special about this car is that it's got the most amount of horsepower in the whole collection.
What's this one pushing?
330 horsepower with 22 PSI.
Wow.
So it's got everything like my car, the RB25 DET. It's got an aftermarket steering wheel, underglow in the dash and everything. It's got a replica 400R front bumper with a GT badge on it. And it's got an R33 GTR wing at the back, which stands out the best with the bumper and the spoiler on it. And also the bronze rims. These are from D-Speeds. Bronze. And another thing about my rims, I forgot, it came off my Mark IV Supra when we had it.
Nice. So, you're an absolute natural in front of the camera. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, so I do have a YouTube channel that I started maybe a year ago, a little bit less than that, but I'm trying to grow onto it.
Nice. If you guys are enjoying watching Rory, an absolute natural, make sure it'll all be linked down below. Check him out, show some love and support. Besides yours, because I know you're gonna pick yours, which is your favorite car?
Well, I love my car, but I think the GTR and my car are equal.
All right, so now is time. What are we doing, Rory?
We're gonna take the Beast for a drive.
So this one here, this one is your dad's favorite, right?
Yeah, his favorite.
What do you like about it?
Maybe the colour.
The color, yeah?
It's comfortable to drive over the other ones with the sportier seats. Got a little bit of grunt, just fun. You'll
is
see when
nice.
we go for a little drive. It's a nice car to drive.
I'm so keen. We just gotta move this, the GTR, put that away, and then we're gonna hop in this. Are you excited?
Yes, can't wait to go to Mexico.
Yeah, into Mexico. Oh, it's got a bit of a grunt to it, doesn't it? Sounds nice. So is the engine stock?
Well, it's got a little bit of work done to it. It's got a bigger turbo, a slightly bigger intercooler, full exhaust, cat back. Got to keep it, you know, got to keep the cat on there.
Yeah, of course.
And it's had a tune with the Pexi ECU in it. Had it tuned up to 330 horsepower, just keeping it safe.
Yeah.
Don't want to go too silly with it.
So do you daily any of these? Or?
No, they all just pretty much lived under covers and take them out whenever there's a car meet or something special on.
Have you done much to the interior or?
No, all the 33 seats are pretty bad for the driver's seat. So they all, on the bolster here, they all wear away because obviously the age of the cars, and they are a little bit bolstered on the side, so they wear quite well. So same with Rory's car, I buy a passenger seat and take all the cushions and everything off and transfer it onto the driver's seat, so it looks like a brand new seat again. Most of the time the passenger seats don't have any wear on them, which makes the car a lot better.
A lot better for the driver.
Not a huge fan of the Nardi steering wheel, but you know, I like to keep things stock, and somebody's painted these green bits and pieces here.
I was going to say, 46.
Yeah, must be a Valentino Rossi fan.
Yeah. It actually pulls pretty hard for like not really much engine work done.
No, yeah, the RB25s they're a responsive little motor, which gives them, you know, a little bit of boat. They're not the heaviest car around, so.
Do you know how much they weigh, or roughly?
I think they're around the 1,400 kilo mark.
Oh, it's not too bad. That's lighter than the 370 that I had.
Yeah.
Wow.
They do have a little bit of grunt in them.
Yeah, just a little bit. Obviously, we're in Mexico. I'm pretty sure Waypole watched the videos, so you know.
Yep.
Naughty, Waypole. Stock suspension?
No, it's got BC coilovers on it. All our cars have got BC. The GTR's got BC Gold, which is the sort of the top of higher range ones, but yeah, you got to get coilovers. You need to lower them. You can't drive in stock.
No. And the Womp is not stock height. Everyone keeps saying in the comments, it's not stock height, it's on lowering springs, all right? Shut up. Everyone keeps saying the Womp's monster truck fitment.
Yeah,
it hurts.
Nobody wants a Ford monster truck.
Yeah, exactly.
Overlander.
I know, yeah.
They were cool in the day, but not anymore.
It's not a Ford Everest. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yep.
Yeah. You're one of the luckiest kids I've known. My dad was never that into cars.
Yeah, well, it was pretty hard for me. My dad owned car yards. He raced motocross bikes, which I did as well, and then road bikes. Always been around cars and into cars, but.
It's such an aggressive, like, spool.
That's what I say, you know. I don't know why anyone needs more than 300-400 horsepower. You know, they're spicy enough as they are.
Yeah. Spend the money on cosmetics and
of course,
let it drive nice.
I'm not going to go past the speed limit because I've got my son in the car. So
of course, you're responsible.
I had a 2018 Mustang before that was tuned and bits and pieces done to it, 506 horsepower.
Yeah.
That was crazy. Never liked to go in a straight line. I was always sideways.
But Mustangs are pretty well known for kicking it. It does have a lot of like torque to it too.
Yeah, I don't know how many newton meters it's got. It's still a small motor, so you would think it's still quite torquey for a 2.5 litre. Oh, there's your 350.
Yeah, there it is. Another 350.
350.
What colour would you get? What colour? Silver? Really?
Yeah.
Nice. So the stock rims on the 350s aren't actually too bad. I think they need spacers though, because the rear guards are so
big. They need
so
a 10-inch
big.
wheel.
Yeah. God, when I had my 350, it had 9.5s or something on the rear, and that still wasn't enough. Are you excited for when you get your license? You guys could be cruising together in your Skylines?
Much, yes.
Ah, man, that's like goal of mine.
Also, when I turn 16, I'm gonna go for my drift school.
Hell yeah. You're gonna take the Skyline?
Probably not.
Yeah.
I'll probably take the 350Z.
Yeah, take the 350. Because, you know, if you crash, it's a lot easier to replace those parts. Buy a Miata and then drift in that. Miata is the answer. Or Ford Capri convertibles.
Capris?
Yeah, are they front-wheel drive?
Front-wheel drive.
Yeah, I was going to say front-wheel drive.
Yeah.
So what got you into cars or Skylines?
Well, pretty much Rory. I had a Ranger, which I've got again now, and I always sort of wondered why Ford didn't put the Cody V8 in a Ranger, because I think the 5-litre Cody motor would be an awesome car. So I thought I'd buy another Ranger and put a Coyote in it. It was just way too expensive, so I thought I've always liked the RD40s. I think they're a bit of a tough-looking little four-wheel drive. So I thought, yeah, why not put an LS2 on one of them and see how we go with that and go from there. So that's exactly what I did. I bought one, and a friend of mine and I sort of started engineering how to fit it in, and 3D printing engine mounts and all different things, and adapter plates and all the rest of it. yeah, we did it. Had it fully engineered, fully licensed as a V8. Was the only one in WA to be licensed with the LS2 with full four-wheel drive working, everything, low range, high range.
Really?
So Rory got involved. Happy with that, and I've always liked cars, anything, but mainly Holdens. I've always been a bit of a Holden V8 man, but Rory liked the Fast and the Furious scene and the JDM. So as I say, we got into the Mark IV Supra, and then I've sort of now fallen in love with the JDM scene and the turbo vehicles. So here we are.
Do you prefer the Pocket Rockets turbo?
I do. They're good fun, because with the V8s and that, you've got the instant power there all the time. They are good and they sound awesome. You can't beat the sound of a LS. Come on.
No, they sound so good.
With the turbo stuff, you get that little bit of adrenaline boost as it hits in, and they sound cool. And then you got things like like with the little Evo we've got. It's just like a little go-kart. Go around corners as fast as you go in a straight line. They're a great little fun car. We've had a few. We had GC8 STI WRX, which was somebody done some major work to it, and it was very, very fast. And I thought, no, I'll get rid of that one.
Yeah.
One of my workers begged me to buy that, so he's bought that off me, and that's a lovely little car. But don't know what's next. Rory wants a 350Z.
A Drift 350Z.
Something like that, and see where we go.
Nah, that's awesome.
Thanks, Richie, for coming along today and checking out Rory's JDM Paradise.
Really appreciate that you came down here to check out the JDM Paradice cars.
Thanks for having me. I do appreciate it. You guys are absolute legends. Make sure, if you guys are enjoying the content with these guys, JDM Paradise, make sure to follow them down below. Everything will be linked, all their socials, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube as well. Make sure to subscribe to see what they've got planned very soon. See the 350Z, see more of the GTR, see more of all these awesome Skylines and Evos. So show some love, show some support. Thanks guys for having me.
Cheers.
I appreciate it. If you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Costs you literally nothing. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.